Sunday everyone. So ayan guys, we're on the way to cut animals here guys at Great Cliffs. Pero andun pa nagbihis, ang tagal, hinihintay pa namin siya. So yan na yung era namin ngayon guys, at mag-stop by kami sa Publix para mag-grocery. Kasi inutusan ako ng asawa ko. Sobrang dami yung listahan niya. Sinisend niya sa akin pabili. Kaya so ayan, I'll see you later guys. Bye bye. Oh, tanawa si Boringki. Oh, Boringki. Oh, kusog ka. So ayan na guys. Ayan na siya. Ayan na. Buckle up before we leave. Ayan, papasok na kami guys dyan sa Great Cliffs. Siga daspan. So ayan sila guys, pagkatapos magpagupit, pasok talaga yan sila dito kasi yan o, si baby girl may daming dalang laruan na naman. Ito pa din, bumili ako ng daspan at saka Vicks para sa Pilipinas. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming nagpagupit. Dumaan kami sa Dollar Tree at ngayon pupunta naman kami sa Publix guys para mag-grocery kami. Doon. Kaya yun. Hang on, wait, I'll open the car. Okay, hang on guys. Simple day. Happy Sunday. So ayan guys, ang ganda na panahon. So we're on the way to Publix now. So ayan guys, pasok na naman kami sa Publix guys. Oh, tingnan mo si Boringki guys. Oh, entrance. We're going to buy some groceries. Come on, hurry up.
I need to get in.
Come on, hurry up.
How do you get in?
So, ayan.
So what's over there?
Make sure
grab that thing right there. Grab that.
Yeah, make sure we got everything Daddy wants us to buy. That one for Daddy, the bread.
So what else is over there?
All kind of sausage.
What is that? Oh, that's just chicken and pizza?
Yeah. Uy. So we got this. Candy. Yeah, lotion. And then we got this one. So we got everything that he wants us to buy except the except that thing. Shave for the face. I don't know. I cannot find. It's not there. Look at that. It's not there. Let's go. Long line. Uy. Is the bagger. Uy. Uy. Are you helping? So, ayan guys. We're done doing the grocery. So, uuwi na kami guys. Grabe na. Sobrang init ngayon guys. Oh. Si Arabella. Bakul up, Bell. Dami niyang dalang candy. What's that, Bell?
It's called N-O-N
Crunch.
O-F.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Bakul up both. Kami gonna go na ka. Bye guys. Thanks for watching everyone.
Yeah, bye.
Thanks for watching. So, ayan guys. Dumating na kami.
Aye, guys.
And there's nothing there, Belle. Help me, Belle. Name.